So over here, you can see that I have a favorite remote desktop right here. Let me just go ahead and access it right here. So if you go ahead and access it, and let's say, for example, you want to know the device's details, you can actually go around over here and click on this icon right here. So once you go ahead and do that on the privacy mode, you will be able to see the details like the operating system it is using. Now you know that the device right here is a laptop, and then you can see that if I were to click on it, you can see that the username of the laptop is set to system and domain is workgroup. So what is happening is that the user has not actually changed out from the default username and domain, as you can see right here. The RAM size of the laptop is 7.34 GB, that is gigabytes right here, as you can see. And this is the main board, that is the motherboard. You can see that the CPU is Ryzen 5, the RAM is Samsung, and you can see that the graphic card is Meta Virtual Monitor, with graphic card being AMD Radeon and NVIDIA GeForce, as you can see. So there's two dual graphic cards right here, and you can see that there's hard disk around over here as well. And then you can see the name of the monitor and everything, including the MAC address as well. So you can see all of the details right here, like MAC address, even the IP address, the netmask, DCPS service that it is using, and so forth, as you can see right here. So all of these information are actually transmitted when you actually go ahead and connect out to AnyDesk right here. So you got to be very careful regarding the privacy. So there may be some things that you may not want to share right here. So that is how you can go ahead and view the remote device details as you need from AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.